Now this is the first concept. Nana, look here. For example, I have triangle. Triangle have how many sides are there? 3 sides are there. This is the symbol of resistor now. Okay? Here 3 resistors are there. Each resistance R. Okay? This is called equilateral triangle. Find effective resistance. The question is find effective resistance between adjacent corners. Once again I repeat Nana. Find effective resistance between adjacent corners. This is the heading Nana. Question is triangle is given in the adjacent corners. For example, A, B call as adjacent corners. In the situation A comma B are adjacent corners. Effective resistance means A is connected to the positive terminal, B is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. Current flows plus 2 minus in this way, plus 2 minus in this way. Look here. Nana, here current always flow from positive terminal of the battery to negative terminal of the battery. Current flow in this way and here also in this way. In this way, current flow continuously flow. Continuously flow means these 2 resistors are in series. Current flow continuous. These 2 are in series. Series formula RS equal to R1 plus R2. Simply call as RS equal to R plus R to R. Okay? Here in this point current divide. That means upper this one. Both are in parallel. This diagram, look here. A, B, between R is there. Okay? Here, this total resistance becomes 2R. Again, A is connected to positive, B is connected to negative. Here, current flow plus 2 minus. In this point, current divide. Current divide means this one both are in parallel. Parallel means RP formula is parallel formula. Gurtunda meeku 2 resistors in parallel. R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What is the R1 value? R. R2 value 2R by R plus 2R 3R. R what? Cancel. Finally we get 2R by 3. This is the answer. Problem none. Square problem. Very important model nana. Look here. In the square, 4 sides are there. Each side having same resistance. R. Here, Nana, here also the question is find effective resistance between adjacent corners. అడ్జసెంట్ కార్నర్స్ అంటే పక్క పక్క ఉన్న కార్నర్స్ మధ్య ఎఫెక్టివ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ కెన్ బి డిటర్మైన్. ఇప్పుడు ఏకి బికి మధ్య ఎఫెక్టివ్ రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏ ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ద పాజిటివ్ టెర్మినల్, బి ఈజ్ కనెక్టెడ్ టు ద నెగటివ్ టెర్మినల్ ఆఫ్ ద బ్యాటరీ. వాట్ ఈజ్ ద సిచ్యువేషన్? కరెంట్ ఫ్లోస్ positive to negative. In this point current is divided. Okay, in the situation here current continuously flow. Look here, that means these three are in what combination? Series. Current flow plus to minus in this way, in this way. In this way continuously flow, that means R. What combination? Series. Simply RS equal to, look here Nana, 3R. Here this is R Nana. Nana, this diagram in this pattern to look here. A, B, minimize the diagram. Look here Nana, minimize the diagram. Here this is R Nana. Upper total ga endayindi. Look here 3R. In this point current again divide. Simply call as Nana, in this R and 3R here current divide. Both are in parallel. What is the parallel formula, shortcut formula? Rp equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. What is the R1 value? R. R2 value 3R. R1 R, R2 3R, R plus 3R 4R. R what? Cancel. Finally we get 3R by 4. Triangle. R effective between adjacent corners. Finally we get 2R by 3. For example, square. What is the effective resistance between adjacent corners? We get 3R by 4. Look here now. In the case of triangle, effective resistance between adjacent corners 2R by 3 వచ్చింది. స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే 3R by 4 వచ్చింది. దీన్ని జనరల్గా రాస్తాను చూడండి. ఇది చూడండి, ఆర్ ఎఫెక్టివ్ ఈక్వల్ టు, ఇది తీసుకుందామా? చూడండి, ట్రయాంగిల్లో ఎన్ని సైడ్స్ ఉంటాయి? 3 సైడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, అంతే కదా. మరి ఇప్పుడు దీన్ని ఎన్ రాయొచ్చు. ఎన్ అంటే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ సైడ్స్, ఆర్ అంటే రెసిస్టెన్స్ ఆఫ్ ద ఈచ్ సైడ్. ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉంది? 2. 2 మీన్స్ n minus 1. Any problem? This is the general formula for triangle, square, hexagon, ORR, polygon. Nana, question enti? Find effective resistance between adjacent corners. Adjacent corners ante chalana. Adjacent corners ante what is the formula for R effective? N minus 1 into R by N. Okay, N minus S. R ante enti? Resistance of each resistor. Resistance of each resistor. This I discuss important concept. Look here. 01509. N conducting wires of same dimensions but having resistivities 1, 2, 3, and so on n, all are connected in series. This is the keyword. Find effective resistivity. Look here now. Here n, look here. This is the first wire length L, cross sectional area A. Second wire length L, cross sectional area A. Third wire length L, cross sectional area A. All are connected in series. All are connected in series. Okay? Resistivity is given 1. Its resistivity is given 2. Resistivity is given 3. And so on. Keyword in the problem, all are connected in series. We know that series formula, RS formula is R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus and so on. Okay na? Right side. R1 means rho 1 L by A. Na? L1 A1. R2 means rho 2 L by A. R3 means rho 3 L by A plus and so on. Here RS means rho effective L by A. Nana, 1 minute. R effective, that means rho effective, rho S by, in the series area is constant, but in this pattern what happens, the length, 2 rods తీసుకున్నాం అనుకో 2L, 3 rods తీసుకుంటే 3L, n rods taken NL, that means here NL, here L what, cancel, A what, cancel. Finally we get rho S into n equal to, look here, rho 1 plus rho 2 plus rho 3 plus and so on. Here rho 1 value is given. What is the rho 1 value? 1. Rho 2 value 2. Rho 3 value 3. Neatly write as 1, 2, 3 and so on plus n. Okay? This is in the mathematical induction. Its value is, we know the mathematics, n into n plus 1 by 2. Okay? 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on n. According to mathematics, its value is n into n plus 1 by 2. Left side, rho S into n. n what? Cancel. What is the rho S value? n plus 1 by 2. संतोष A and B. This is the question. Effective resistance between A and B. Simply, A is connected to positive, B is connected to negative. A is connected to positive, B is connected to negative. Okay? current flows A to B plus to minus. In this point, current divide. Again it will be flow. In this point, current divide. Here, current flow continuously. Look here now. Here. Current flow plus to minus. In the diagram, Nana, look here Nana. Here, in the back side, here current flow continuously. That means this 2 ohm, this 2 ohm, this 2 ohm, all are in series. In the series, RS formula R1 plus R2 plus R3. Simply 2, 2, 2. What is the total value? 6. Okay? Look here now. Final diagram, look here. Two ohm. No, here. 2. What? 6. E 6, E 2 ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? 6, 2 ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? Here, current divide means 6 ohm, 2 ohm in parallel. Parallel means formula R1 into R2 by R1 plus R2. 6 into 2, 12 ohm by 6 plus 2, 8, 12 by 8. సారీ నాయన, ఇది 3 ohm కొండలు. ఏముందిలే నెంబర్ మార్చడమే. ఇప్పుడు చూడండి, 2, 6, 3 ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? ప్యారలల్ ఫార్ములా R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3. 6 into 3, 18 by 9, 2. Okay? This total value becomes 2. Look here. Again current flow here. In this point, current divide. చూడండి, ఇది ఎట్లా ఉంది? Series 2, 6, 3 ఎలా ఉంది? Parallel. 6 into 3, 18 by 6 plus 3, 9. 18 by 9, 2. That means this circuit also it becomes 2. Finally, look here. 2 ohm. A, B. Again current flow plus 2 minus. Here, look here. Plus 2 minus. Current continuously flow plus 2 minus. This combination is series combination. In the series, RS formula is R1 plus R2 plus R3. 2. Total value 6. Final answer is 6. Now, first in this circuits, to minimize the circuit because of combination. మళ్ళా ఒకసారి చూడండి, ఈ లాస్ట్ 3 ఎలా ఉన్నాయి? సిరీస్ 2, 6, 3 parallel means 6 into 3 by 6 plus 3 2 అవుతుంది. 2, 6 again 6, 3 parallel, ఇక్కడ మళ్ళా 2 వస్తుంది. 2, 6. If 3 equal resistors find number of combinations. This is the question. 3 equal resistors, find number of combinations, త్రీ రెసిస్టర్స్ని అన్నిటినీ సిరీస్లో కలపచ్చు. ఇదిగో చూడండి, కీవర్డ్ ఉంది ఆ ప్రాబ్లం, ఈక్వల్ ఆర్ ఆర్ ఆర్, ఇది ఒక కాంబినేషన్. సెకండ్ కాంబినేషన్ ఈజ్ all are in parallel, all are in parallel. Look here, R R R. One is all are in series, second one is all are in parallel, third one is look here, the two in parallel, one in series. This is a type of combination. Fourth one is two in series. This is parallel. This is the maximum number of combinations. This is combination. One series, parallel, two in series, two in parallel, one in series, two in series, one in parallel. This is maximum number of combination. How many combinations? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, I directly give formula, 2 power n minus 1. Number of combinations formula is 2 power n minus 1. Here n indicate number of resistors. Once again I repeat, find number of combinations అన్నాడు. number of 2 power 3 minus 1 2. Simply, what is the 2 square value? 4. 1 2 3 4. ఇప్పుడు నాకు డైరెక్ట్గా ఇచ్చేస్తున్నాను. 3 అన్ఈక్వల్ అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. అన్ఈక్వల్ రెసిస్టర్స్ అంటే one is R1, another one is R2. That means 3 unequal resistors ichi, again I repeat, 3 unequal resistors is given. 3 unequal resistors is given. Find number of combinations అన్నాడు అనుకోండి. నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఫార్ములా 2 పవర్ n. అన్ఈక్వల్ రెసిస్టర్స్ అయితే నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ కాంబినేషన్స్ ఫార్ములా 2 పవర్ n. హియర్ n ఇండికేట్ నెంబర్ ఆఫ్ రెసిస్టర్స్. 3 equal resistors are given. What is the formula for number of combinations? 2 to the power n minus 1. Skeleton cube. Here 12 resistors are there. Look here now. This is the skeleton cube now. Very important concept. Look here. Each resistance R, 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 R. In the cube, how many resistors are there? 12 resistors are there. Each resistance value R. First question is find effective resistance between adjacent corners. Adjacent corners. This is A, this is B. Here in the diagram, A, B are called adjacent corners. AB. Okay. Answer is effective resistance. Answer is 7R/12. Again, next question. Find effective resistance between face diagonal. Face diagonal. Look here. Here face diagonal means, look here, this is the square. Okay, face diagonal means AC. This is square. AC is called face diagonal. Face diagonal. Okay, answer is 3R/4. Again, effective resistance between diagonally opposite corners. Diagonally opposite corners. Look the diagram first. Diagonally opposite corners. చూడాలి. A ఇదేంటి లాస్ట్, C తర్వాత వచ్చే లెటర్ ఏంటి, D. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ 5R/6. Look the formulas only, because this can be solved by using Kirchhoff's laws. But Kirchhoff